Well, we moved quickly from Danny now on to Erica, formed this evening. This is the first advisory as of 11 o'clock. The difference between Danny and Erica, Danny was a small system moving to the west slowly, kind of a fragile storm. This one is quite a bit bigger and moving to the west very quickly at 20 miles an hour, 955 miles east of the Leeward Islands. Winds now 45, but the forecast is for intensification. Here's the wind shear, which may also again be an issue, but as we go into time here, watch. The main wind shear is north of Erica and then begins to fade as Erica comes into the picture here north of the islands. If Erica goes further to the south, could deal with land interaction, which would be a weakening factor, but if it goes a little bit more to the north, then it could be a strengthening system, maybe even a hurricane by the time it gets into this time frame. In the water, it is very, very warm. Some of the warmest in the Atlantic is right here in our neighborhood, so we are going to keep a very close eye on this system. Biscayne Bay camera tonight, skies are partly cloudy. It's warm and humid, mid-80s for current readings. It's very humid out there. An 8 on our stickiness scale, extra steamy, feels like 93. Southeast breeze, quarter of an inch of rain at MIA. Big storms, if you look off to the west outside, you can see some lightning off in the distance. Big storms over on the west coast. We're going to see storms here on the east coast tomorrow afternoon. And our two of you calling for hot sun and afternoon storms. Some of those could produce some heavy downpours. Going on into your middle of the week, good chance for thunderstorms with that southwest wind, so hot and humid starts to the day and then stormy afternoons and evenings. By Friday, sun and clouds and some spotty storms, and by the weekend, we'll be looking to the southeast because here comes Erica into the picture possibly. So we'll be watching the tropics, especially watching Erica for a movement more to the north, could be, to the west, could be, even to the west and south of us. It's a possibility, too early to tell at this point. Temperatures across the country in the south, they're warm, 89 right now in Dallas. Here's our forecast for tonight. It's going to be muggy out there with some stray storms possible, a low near 80 degrees. For tomorrow, hot and humid. Storms develop, some heavy downpours possible. High temperature near 92. For boaters, southeast winds at 5 to 10, 2-foot seas. A light chop on the bays, and the surf temperature is way up there at 88. Through the rest of the week, stormy periods, especially in the afternoon hours the next several days. And then by the weekend, we will be keeping a close eye on what's Erica doing and where it is headed.